One of the most important aspects in the life of St. John Bosco was his unwavering faith in the divine providence. He firmly believed in God that he could provide for every need, no matter how impossible the circumstances might seem. Don Bosco's faith in the divine providence was rooted in his deep trust in God's love and care. From an early age, Don Bosco experienced a lots of hardships and poverty, but he always turned to God with confidence. Time and again, Don Bosco witnessed the hand of providence at hand. When funds ran out, the unexpected benefactors would step forward to help him. Don Bosco would often say, God does not fail those who trust in him. This conviction gave Don Bosco the courage to undertake ambitious projects such as building the Basilica of Mary of Christians, even though he was lacking in basic necessary means. Don Bosco's reliance to the divine providence was inseparable from his devotion to Mary of Christians. He would always insist his boys and his collaborators to trust in Mary's intercession. Don Bosco would often repeat that have faith in Mary and you will see what miracles are. For students, Don Bosco's faith in the divine providence is a powerful lesson. So, let Don Bosco's life reminds us that when we dedicate ourselves to God's work with humility and faith, we could achieve what seems to be impossible. So, let Don Bosco's life inspire us to embrace trust in God's providence, knowing that His love is always sufficient for those who rely on Him. St. John Bosco,